Now is available at McCarthy Cars Toyota Hybrid RAV4 16 plate. Car has daylights, parking sensors on the front, electric sunroof, privacy rear glass. Car has rear parking sensors with reversing camera. Electric tailgate, split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior, ISOFIX, 5 headrests, full electric seat, electric and folding mirrors. Car has Bluetooth audio, DAB radio, reversing camera, sat-nav, 2-zone climate control aircon, heated seats, USB and aux, sport mode, eco mode, central cup holders, automatic gearbox. Thank you for watching.